Hi, everybody. It's Matt again. Today I'm going to show you my Gen SX1000 synthesizer. I believe this is from 1980, although it could have been 79. Not really sure. I'm just going to show you why this is one of my favorite synthesizers, why I have it in the studio. Then I'll show you a song that I make with it, and we'll see how you like it. So the reason I found this synth is one of my favorite artists of all time is Trevor Powers of Youth Lagoon. And he has the dopest concert on YouTube of him playing Pitchfork in like 2013, right after he released his Wondrous Bughouse album. And you can see him just shredding it, and it sounds so sick. And so I messaged him on Instagram and I asked him, hey, what's that synth you're playing at this concert? And he actually responded and he told me a little bit about this synth and why he used it. And so I knew that I had to get one too. So I found it on eBay. I think I paid probably a little more than most people. I paid like almost $500 for it. But it's been dope, worth it. Plus I love it how chunky it is. It looks so nice. It's so cute. So like I said earlier, this is a really simple monophonic analog single oscillator synthesizer, so there's not a whole lot to it at all. You have your tune function, which can act as your pitch wheel because there isn't a pitch wheel on this. You have your waveform selector, so you can choose sawtooth, square, or pulse width. There is a glide function. You can select the octave. There's a pulse width selection. There is a noise generator. Vibrato. Pulse width modulation. And then the LFO speed. Volume level. The cutoff. Resonance. Filter LFO. And then your basic attack, decay, sustain, release on the envelope and filter. So now I'll just kind of show you the sounds I like to make with it. I really love how the LFO sounds on this. It sounds so wonky to me. Has just like such a psychedelic character to it that I love. So now I have made a song using only the gen and some drums. So I'm just going to show you the stems, show them after I added effects in Ableton, and then I'll dance to the song for you. Okay, so here we are with the track I made using the gen. I've got 6 tracks of audio. Get rid of this little mofo. And yeah, let's just play that. This first track is the bass, and this is it with effects. I have the one knob pumper, Fat Fiddler Pro Q3 just boosting the bass, and little micro shift. So without effects, it sounds like this. Then we've got drums. I just used my Electron model samples to make that. I don't remember what the samples are from, but probably past to future samples. They've got lots of good sounds. I always got to use the drum bus in Ableton. It's like the best stock plugin. And then we got this lead. This is it dry, little micro shift, little reverb. Very nice. Then this lead. This one's got the Arturia tape delay on it. Does a lot. Then we have this arpeggiated part that I played because it doesn't have MIDI or an arpeggiator or sequencer on it. So you just got to play it by hand. Got to go old school. This one also has the tape delay on it. And then we just got these sound effects to go over the top. Auto pan, the church reverb. So let's hear the song then, baby. Thanks so much for listening. Bye bye.